So hello friends. In this video, we will see how to get text from from any particular image uh, through a. We are not going to use any external API. We just use a JavaScript library, and that's method. So let's first import the JavaScript code from a CDN. Then I will put that code in our assets folder. Then we will use the methods for the OCR. So let's proceed. First, we have to get JavaScript code. So we are on browser. Let's put so this is the JavaScript code, and we have to just copy that code. We can also use this direct CDN, but we will include this code in our local directory, so we will use this. So first copy and then go to our folder, and just we have to come inside uh, assets folder, and we have to just create a ocr.js file, and inside ocr.js file we have to just paste that code. So this is our uh, JavaScript code for the OCR, and we have to include this file inside index.html. So let's open index.html, and inside index.html we have to put a script tag inside body. So src will be assets ocr.js. So importing of the library is done in our local uh, code. So let's utilize that function to retrieve the text from the image. So we have to go in the particular page, that is OCR page.ts. So let's first we have to declare a variable, because we are using library tesseract, so we will declare that tesseract variable. So we have to include tesseract here, and let's build a method for get text from image, and let's we have to include the URL of the image, and URL will be some public file. You can also include base64 of the image here. It can also resolve the text from image. So currently I am using URL, so let's include URL. So this is the public URL of the image, and the image is this is the image we are using. So we will extract the text from that particular image. So let's go on the code now, and we have to just write tesseract dot recognize. We have to include this dot URL here, and also we can include type of the language that is present in the image, that is English, and it returns promise of the result with results. So, and also we have to include the error block also. If any error came, then we will alert the error, and inside promise we have the desired result, so that will be response.text. So this is the method, and we will call this method from the HTML, absolutely from HTML. So let's go on HTML page. So this is the HTML, and let's put some CSS here. Now the image, sorry, we can include iron image src is absolutely URL we already declared in the TS, and inside footer and footer we can include the button, iron button to get text, and we have to absolutely include this method inside button. So let's include click, and side click we did write this method, and also we just make this button large, expand full. So now let's run this code in browser. Also we can run on mobile device also, so it will run work on both browser and device both. So let's run on browser first. Actually here's some error, so we have to include iron image closing tag also, and also let's include a loader. So we will just know that something happening while when we click button. So let's include ionic uh, angular and import loading controller, and inside constructor we have to define private loading controller. And now in the method get text from image, this dot loader create message please wait, and it returns promise, and inside promise we have to call the present method. And let's close this in the last here, and after if the processing done, let's hide that. So dismiss, we have to call the dismiss. If any error happens we have to hide also here, and after we will see the alert if any error here. So now let's come on browser. So as you can see we are on browser, and this is the image, and on the bottom there is button get text. Let's click that button. So as you can see in alert we have the text, and all working. So if you like this video, please like the video by clicking on the thumbs up icon, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. We will back soon. Thanks for your time. Thank you.